Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi 10. Okay, for that we will need the settings first. So just go here to the second page and then you will find here the symbol for the settings. So the app for the settings. Maybe if you have configured your phone, maybe this app is on another position, but look for this app symbol here. Okay, so tap on the settings. So, and then we will need this point here, about phone. So the first one. So, and then we will need here at the about phone area, the MIUI version number. And we have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown. And then we are a developer for the phone. If it is a bit slower, it doesn't matter, it's the software, but it works, be sure. Okay, so just go now back one step here on the arrow so that you're back in the general settings. So and now scroll down a bit to the point additional settings. So tap the point additional settings and then you will have here at the end of the list the developer options. So now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, may to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging or all the other stuff you can may use here. And yeah, if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, then you can also disable them here on the first point. Just tap here and then the developer options are disabled. So if I go back now, they're still there, but if I go back again and enter again the additional settings, they disappeared. But you can have them always back with just tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number, as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.